Welcome to Auto Trend. Today the Mazda CX-9 is a midsize 3-row crossover SUV designed to offer a blend of performance, luxury, and practicality. It seats up to 7 passengers and features a sleek, aerodynamic design with Mazda's signature Kodo design language, emphasizing elegance and motion. The CX-9 is powered by a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that delivers 250 horsepower and 320 lb-ft of torque when using premium fuel, 227 HP and 310 lb-ft with regular fuel. This engine is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and available in both front-wheel drive and Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system, which is standard in higher trims and enhances stability and traction in various driving conditions. Inside, the Mazda CX-9 is known for its upscale interior materials, quiet cabin, and attention to detail, rivaling some luxury SUVs. Standard and available features include leather-trimmed seats, real wood accents, a power-adjustable driver's seat, heated and ventilated front and second row seats, a power liftgate, and a panoramic sunroof. The infotainment system includes a 10.25-inch display operated by a rotary controller, with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and optional Bose premium audio system depending on the trim. The CX-9 comes in multiple trims, typically including the Sport, Touring, Touring Plus, Carbon Edition, Grand Touring, and Signature. Each trim level adds incremental luxury, technology, and safety features. The top Signature trim offers all-wheel drive standard, Nappa leather upholstery, LED lighting, a 360-degree camera system, and unique exterior styling elements. In terms of safety, the CX-9 is equipped with Mazda's iActive Sense suite of safety technologies. This includes adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition. The vehicle has earned high safety ratings from both the NHTSA and IIHS, making it a reliable choice for families. Cargo space is modest compared to some competitors, offering about 14.4 cubic feet behind the third row, 38.2 cubic feet with the third row folded, and up to 71.2 cubic feet with both rear rows down. However, the cabin's flexibility and quality finish often compensate for the smaller cargo area. Fuel economy is also competitive, with EPA estimates of around 20 mpg in the city and 26 mpg on the highway for all-wheel drive models. Overall, the Mazda CX-9 stands out for its engaging driving dynamics, upscale cabin, and value in the midsize SUV category, appealing to drivers who want both family practicality and a refined driving experience.